So if you analyze what the guitars are doing on hit songs all the way from the 60s forward, you'll notice what I call the 80-20 rule. On average, the ratio of guitar playing is about 80% rhythm and partial chords to about 20% lead and single note lines. Now I think a lot of intermediate and advanced guitar courses and teachers get this ratio backwards. They focus about 80% on scales and speed and only 20% or so on chords, rhythm, and feel. So here's a tip for your guitar career. Because of this 80% rhythm, 20% lead ratio, if you train yourself to be a smart, subtle rhythm player who listens and accompanies people without getting in their way, you're going to be much more valuable to most groups than if your main skill is to step out front and shred. Because I mean, unless you're a Steve Vai or Joe Satriani, which only a tiny few will ever be, people can only take so much self-indulgent soloing before they lose interest. So follow the 80-20 rule. Focus on your rhythm and feel and increase your value to every other musician you play with.